Ya.
Okay, en Spanish, ¿eh? Voy a hacer un rollo para que logramos, para se lo van a llevar a un programa en vivo y quieren que les haga un rollo. I make a photomaki roll. It's the TV show ways to make a photomaki roll. Ready?
He's taking tapes. Can you make it a little bit slower because this shooting is for the TV and we want to just shoot.
No, slow. My show right now. Okay. Ready? Make a photomaki roll. Rice. Rice. And cucumber. Sprouts too. Yeah, put a little sprout. Tamago. Little bit tamago. Okay, over there. Aquí no se ve, está muy feo. Ah, lo voy a poner bonito al otro, porque no es así. Flour, powder. I put a little more right here. There. It's bonito. Little bit like this. Side and roll right now. Close. Very important. You cut a roll, 5 pieces or maybe 6 pieces. Cut close. You put a water plate right here. Like this computer right here. Wasabi, ginger too. This is photomaki. Oh, photomaki.
Ay.